Hi, I'm Chip Wade, TV host and contractor. Today we're going to talk about some winterization tips for your home. Now is the perfect time of year before it gets too cold and before the holidays and all the family show up to get your house in great working order. Now, winterization is about looking at the outer envelope of your house. That's the roof, that's the walls, the doors and windows, and it's all about stopping that airflow from the outside in and the inside out. To do that, things like caulking cracks, new weather stripping, and making sure that your doors and windows are in great working order are the first step. But one of the biggest questions I get asked all the time is around your central heating and air or your furnace. People ask me, Chip, how do I know if it's time to replace my furnace or if I just need to continue spending money on these repairs? Well, the simple answer is if your furnace is at least 10 years old or older, or if you have a couple of years in a row where you've had some repairs that exceed a few $100s, I can almost guarantee you it's going to be in your best financial interest to go ahead and just replace that system. The reason being is that the new units that are out are so incredibly energy efficient that you're going to save money in the short term that could supersede the cost of replacing that unit way faster than you think. Some of the units that are out now are so energy efficient that they even have things like modulating burners, which allow you to be able to control that flame to such a small and precise level. It just allows you to save money day in and day out. This particular unit is actually from York. It's called the York Affinity Series Modulating Gas Furnace. It has efficiency enhancing features built right in, as well as connectivity features that allow you to connect it to its smart thermostat, as well as apps that allow you to control it even when you're away from the house. So saving money day in and day out does not have to be something that you just wait on until your furnace breaks. Even if your furnace is working today, it still may be smarter to replace it today. Now, if all of this sounds great, but you know you just don't have time or the wherewithal to evaluate your own system, bring in a pro. That's what I would do. I would call up someone who really knows how to come in, evaluate your furnace, and tell you whether or not it needs to be repaired or if a replacement is the right thing to do.
Go with the honest pros at Donomi Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Our friendly, caring team of experts ensure the work is done right at a fair price. Our name and reputation is on everything we do.
Donomi is to love me.